Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. I got a comment from Mayur that in his interview, this question was asked. I'll put it down over here. But the question asked was that can you give me a detailed task that as a DevOps engineer you need to do in L1, L2, and L3. So of course these question can come like if you are working at L1 position or L2 position or L3 position, then what were the tasks you were doing, and how it used to be, like how people on L1 and L2 used, like how the segregation of tasks was there. So that it's very important to know that as well. So yeah, let's go and let's discuss this today. So for L1, when you are on L1 level, so basic monitoring and not basic, but you have to focus primarily on monitoring and troubleshooting. So if suppose you have to monitor the logs, if something is going down, the tickets will be created, you have to work on it by checking the logs. And if the thing, if you are sure that those by seeing the logs that the solution, then you can resolve the ticket. And you should have, you already have some scripts that you can follow, some procedures, standard procedures that you need to follow to resolve those. But if something is new and you are very unsure, then comes the level 2, that is L2. So they are on intermediate level, where they deeply do the RCA, root cause analysis of the issue which is reoccurring, which is new, and we don't have any standard procedure for it. They can write automation scripts to solve any new issues that are coming, and any coordinating with developers if any code level changes are needed, handling deployment issue, pipeline issues in GitLab or CI/CD like Jenkins or GitHub Actions, then debugging infrastructure failures, and basically doing the RCA. Then comes the L3. L3 is are at level 3. So they are primarily responsible for creating these CI/CD pipelines, designing and improving it. So whatever, like if suppose any new error came, which for which the ticket got created, and L2 did the root cause analysis. After that they need that this scenario should be handled, because this scenario is new and it was not handled in the existing pipeline. So that request goes to L3. So basically they work on future task to handle the situations and the failures. Then infrastructure, they write infrastructure as a code, they are cloud architecture, they work with L1 and L2 closely to improve the system and process more, and designing zero downtime deployment, then migration if any. So migration steps are decided by them. Setting up monitoring architecture, if how can monitoring be done properly. Security hardening, optimization, it is performed by them. The standard is set by them, and that standard is being followed by L2 and L1. So this is how things go. So from L1 to L2, if any issue is new and it is not resolvable, then those issues once handled, what should be the solution, what should be the standard procedure, how to handle it, how to optimize it, what task should be done after that, that is handled by L3. So basically this is a hierarchy that has been followed. So I think the things are clear, and you, if anybody gets the question like this, you will be able to tackle it very nicely. So that's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful, and please let me know your views and queries in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.